Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nikka Nadia, and today we're going to be doing a little tutorial of a fun small choreography I made up. It's to a drum solo song by Artem Uzonov. The title is Belbly, and this snippet is at about 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the song. I will write that all below for you. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I hope you took some time to warm up either on your own or with one of my videos. So we're going to be starting with our hands holding our hair a bit. Chin is up. We have our posture of knees slightly bent, chest open, breathing and smiling. Our hips go tick, tick, tick. Yes? So I'll mirror you. Start with your right hip. It goes down, down, down. Okay? I'm gently bending my knees into a little demi-plie to lower a bit. So we have 1, 2, 3. Then coming back up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It goes tick, 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 and tick, tick, tick. The second tick, 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 our arms are slowly coming down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes? So right, left, right, right, left, right. Again. Demi-plie. Hands holding our hair. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we're doing looks like this quickly. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay? What's happening here is my shoulders go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rolling forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rolling back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, rolling forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rolling back to come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you kind of have to flip your hair up a bit to get it out of your face, especially if you don't have half of it up like me. So putting that together, you can start with either shoulder, okay? Choose one. We go. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we have tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going for a box with our hips for 8 counts. Boxes, we go side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, other way, quickly, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back, side, tuck, side, back. Okay, so we're going to be doing a box for 8 counts and rotating. Okay, my dears, we have da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. While we do this, the arms float up as well. First, let's focus on the hips and the rotation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I end up in an arch. I'm starting my hip to the right as I rotate to my left. Notice my feet shifting as I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I end up in the arch. Okay? Again, just feet and hips. Starting to the side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adding the arms, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go up into a parallel passe, pointed foot. Yes. So we're here, 8. 2 hip drops. Drop, drop. So that's a tricky one, right? You have to find yourself quickly up on your leg as arms float up. And then we go drop, drop. So let's go from the shoulders, going down for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, drop, drop. So the way I'm doing that is I'm using my oblique, click, click, to let my hip bounce down, down. Yes? Find yourself lifted on top of this leg. Again, from shoulders, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Tick, tick. Da 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 da. Then we just simply shimmy and shimmy 2 directions to finish it off. It's so fun. So after we were roop, and this is a roop, yeah? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. Da 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 da. That long. And I'm bringing my hands up. Up to da 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 da. Then you can either just pivot quickly, or if you feel like, a hop and out again. So I'm doing a strong Egyptian shimmy. I want it really big. Let's go through all of it very slowly from the beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, room, drop, drop. So it's not a whole lot faster than that, okay? Let's do it again. Take a big breath. And we have right, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Tick, tick, da 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 da. A few more times. I think you guys are getting it, yes? Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3. Tick, tick, tick. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Tick, 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 tick. Rip. Cha cha. Da 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 da. Whew. I'm getting warm. Shall we? 2 more times. Take a big breath. Chest open, smiling like a goddess, ladies, and perhaps gentlemen. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roop. Tick, tick. Da 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 da. Cool. Last time. We have tick, 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 tick. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roop. Tick, tick. Da 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 da. Okay, you guys. I'll be posting the original with Rebecca Lech, my friend, doing the choreography with me. And you can see how it matches up to the music. So I hope this was fun and helpful for you. And I will be back soon with more tutorials. Bye.